So even as you're seeing multiple encounters in Jammu and Kashmir, our forces are eliminating these terrorists. The NIA, the National Investigative Agency, has been conducting simultaneous raids also to identify those helping these terrorists, terror associates. Now, the latest information we're getting is that NIA is conducting raids in 18 locations across Delhi, in the National Capital Region, in Uttar Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. There was a case that was registered just 2 days back by the NIA on 10th October. And this is linked to terror groups like Lashkar, Jaish and others and associates who are helping these terror groups. The NIA has been conducting a lot more raids after the recent civilian killings in Kashmir to identify all those who've been helping terrorists in the valley. So the NIA, they're cracking down, conducting raids. We understand at 18 locations currently. Kamaljit Sandhu is joining us with more details on this. Kamaljit, last few days, the NIA has been very actively trying to nab those who are helping, who are funding these terrorists in the valley. Get us the latest updates on these recent raids.
These particular raids are based on a new case which has been registered by NIA just 2 days ago. We've been told this is a crackdown on the terrorist network. Raids being conducted across 16 locations in Jammu and Kashmir and 2 locations in Delhi, NCR and UP region. This is obviously a crackdown on the terror ecosystem. Because agencies believe that it's not just the terrorists who are spreading their tentacles, but also their overground workers and those who are associated with terror networks who are helping that particular ecosystem. We know that Pakistan ISI and its agencies have been trying to spew trouble as far as Kashmir Valley is concerned. The latest tactics being terror attacks on civilians, including minorities. This has obviously raised alarm bells. Now, multiple agencies have been camping in Srinagar, whether be it RAW, IB or the NIA. So top officers being there. This is obviously as part of that strategy. But the new case itself shows that there is a keen interest to crack down on the overground workers on the terror networks relating to tanzeems who are helping them grow, helping them target certain sections of society. And this is an overall crackdown. So sources have confirmed to us that 18 locations in all have been raided. Remember, as far as Jammu Kashmir police is concerned, at least 700 people have been detained. Several of them have let go of, but we've been told that there have been others who have been identified on whom UAPA as well as the PSA is going to be slapped on them. That means it's going to be a stringent crackdown just ahead of Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Kashmir Valley, one of his first visit after abrogation of Article 370. But one of the promises that the centre made was to ensure a terror-free state, and now is a time where Pakistan is again trying to spew venom and also to ensure that there is terror which is created, especially in the hearts of the people, by targeting minorities.
All right, Kamaljit, we'll keep coming across to you for the latest updates on the raids that are underway by the NIA. For the moment, thank you for joining us.